punta tayo ng Festive Mall para mag-replenish ng ating coffee. Join me! Alam ko dahil magpagwapat. Tadang! I got my false lashes na deliver sa wala lang. Share ko lang. Yan, mag-replenish tayo ngayon ng ating ultra green coffee here. There! And of course, our Algansha here in cups. You can now purchase ultra green coffee. The world's healthiest coffee in cups for only 85 pesos. Mag-wear na tayo ng ating mask dahil papasok tayo ng mall. Alright, see you there!
If you are wondering kung nasaan po yung Fab Concept Boutique, we are here at the second floor of Festive Mall, Ilonggo Business Park. Here, punta tayo ng food hall. Then, we turn left going to the Cyber Zone. Pag nandito na tayo sa corner ng Cyber Zone, we turn right. Huwag po tayong malito. Nandyan lang po kitang-kita yung Fab Concept Boutique. Katabi tayo ng Biyahe Juan at LBC. There we go!
That's me! Yay! So, thank you so much for those nga nagbakal sa aton. Diri isang ultra green coffee and now we have replenished our stocks. We have 4 daily veggies and 4 Jamocha flavors and we have here 7 Jamocha cups. So, all you have to do is, pag member tayo, we are giving 100 peso off. No, just present your membership card and if you want to be a member of UGC, all you have to do is purchase 10 pouches. So, di ba? Kaya display natin is 8. So, kung gusto nyo maging member, you could scan our barcode here sa tabi ng aking mukha. There you go. Scan nyo lang, then message me on Facebook. It's either sa akong Facebook page, which is Rubeinspired Ilonggo Vlogger, or in our official UGC Facebook page. Tada! Of course, follow us also here in YouTube. Kung pwede yung mga mukha-comment sa akong. So, if you want to try our coffee, you could PM me. I could send out pouches sa inyong balay, or you could visit here at Festive Mall. So there you go. Thank you so much for joining me tonight, this morning, this day, kung ano man ka mo nga adlaw dira nga hour sa inyong mga while viewing this video. So there you go. We are here at Fab Concept Boutique at Festive Mall. Thank you, everyone.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!